What you see here is an opossum that was caught in a animal-friendly trap. It's being relocated out of a hedge of trees by one of the local houses. This is a nocturnal animal. Not exactly a cute little guy. He's not your basic hamster. Opossums are usually solitary and nomadic. They stay in one area as long as food and water is available. As nocturnal animals, they favor dark, secure areas. While they might occupy an abandoned burrow, they don't tend to dig or put much effort into building their own. They might be living under a house near you. I do believe he's playing possum here. When they feel threatened, they will play possum, mimicking the look and smell of a dead animal. The response is involuntary rather than a conscious act. Their stiff, curled form can be prodded, turned over, and even carried away. The animal will regain consciousness after a few minutes or hours and escape. Many injured opossums have been killed by well-meaning people who assumed the animal was already dead. Opossums are omnivores. Their diet consists mostly of carrion. They eat insects, frogs, birds, snakes, small mammals, and earthworms. They also like some fresh fruits like apples and persimmons. Baby opossums have been known to hang from a tree limb by their tails. Adults don't hang from their tails. The tail isn't strong enough to hold them up. The mother opossum will sometimes carry the babies on her back. This opossum was trapped by accident and is meant to be released unharmed. The problem is getting the opossum out of the cage. Jenny said, just take you out of the trap. How am I supposed to do that, huh? There, you're free. You can get out. You don't know it yet, but you can get out. An opossum may growl at you if it feels threatened. They have very sharp teeth and deserve some respect. Apparently he's very happy there. He shows no sign of wanting to move. I'm going to go up and tap the back of the cage and see if I can get him to move forward. Hey, don't fall asleep. Come on. Run for your life, guy.